And that meant that I had the 12 o'clock at night until 4 o'clock in the morning watch. Now, that was extremely, extremely boring. I sat there one morning and I can vividly recall I was steering, and at night we left most of the lights off except for our tricolor. And then now and again you'll switch on your torch to see if you're still on course. But we had a compass light, which was more than sufficient for me to just keep course. We had no fancy instrumentation, no autopilot, no chart plotter. We had a handheld VHF, and we had a compass, and we had a wind indicator and speed indicator, and that was it. So very, very basic stuff. So I was sitting there, and you get so bored, and now and again you just need to stretch your legs. So from a sitting position at the helm doing steering for 4 hours, I decided to just stand up a bit. And this must have been probably about half an hour before she took over from me. And I stood at the helm and I looked like that. And man, this tremendous, tremendous pressure just here on my chest. And I felt as if I'm going to die. It was the most odd feeling in the world. It was like a bolt of lightning. And then with that, I heard this kind of noise on the deck at my feet. And I thought, what on earth is going on? And I took the torch and I shone it at my feet. And there was this flying fish. I mean, in the morning, that flying fish came flying straight over the yacht, right into my chest.